I'm making a pineapple zucchini cake. Now, I filmed this once, or I made this once and I wasn't filming. So I am making it again. So I've got my can of crushed pineapple in here, and got my shredder here with my cutting glove for you, those of you who don't know what that is. Okay, so I got my pineapple, my zucchini. By the way, your cutting glove can just go in the washer. And I'm not adding any extra liquid because zucchini is very high moisture and the pineapple is very high moisture, so there will be more than enough. And then my oil. Now, everything's dirty because I'm just cranking out videos today and I'm tired, so I don't feel like just washing everything. But Dining on a Dime Volume 1, if you want to not use a cake mix. Zucchini cake in here is delicious. livingonadime.com is where you can get that recipe, and in the description below. All right, I got my pan, spritzing it, pouring in my Now, you can make this into muffins, into a loaf if you want. I'm not doing a loaf, I'm doing a cake because it cooks faster. If you want even faster cooking because it's hot, you could do cupcakes. You could also do it in the crock pot if you want. We're gonna throw this in the oven and let it bake, and I will show you what it looks like. All right, my pineapple cake is done. Oh my goodness, this smells so delicious. Okay, now stick it knife in the center. See how it's, now this is pineapple, so it's extra super moist, but so there's a little bit on the knife, but see how it's pulled away from the edges of the pan right here? That's how I know it's finished. So it's still pretty warm, but what I'm gonna do is go ahead and cut a piece. Oh, oh, yum. Okay, I've never had pineapple zucchini cake. Okay, that is really delicious. Oh my goodness, yum. I'm glad I got this variation. I'm gonna start making it this way. I am making blueberry zucchini loaf. Now, got my favorite shredding glove right here. And shred my zucchini. There we go. There's a big piece. This thing is so nice. I do not cut my hands. Absolutely love it. Just throw it in the washer. Okay, so I got my zucchini, and then it needs lemon zest. Now, here's a little trick. If you smush your lemon like this, it will soften up inside, and then you can zest it and you will have more juice. After you're done zesting it, you can have more juice. This one is not zesting. Okay, this lemon is not zesting. That's hilarious. Okay, now I'm getting a little bit. Okay, there we go. Get it in there. Now, then we also need, whoa, our lemon juice. That is a juicy lemon. Oh shoot, I forgot. My strainer is out with my deer repellent. Oops. Okay, so let me see if I can just catch all the seeds. Wow, no seeds are coming out. Now the recipe for this will be in the description below. As always, sometimes I forget, so if I forget, put it in there. Please kindly remind me. This is the 12 Days of Zucchini series. Wow, this one really has a lot of juice in it. All right, now as you guys know, I normally put in my dry ingredients, stir them, and then put in my wet ingredients, but since I need to grate the zucchini, I didn't want to get my grater all filled with flour and everything. So I'm just throwing it all in there this time. So I got my flour, 1, 2, and sugar, and my baking powder and salt and my oil and eggs and buttermilk. Now, normally I don't have buttermilk on hand, so what I do is I just take my regular milk, or in this case I need to use up my dry milk, so I'm going to take my dry milk here and I'm going to put a drop of vinegar or lemon juice. There's already lemon juice in here, so I probably don't need it, but to just sour my buttermilk. I'm going to let that sit for just a minute, so to let it get soured. Okay, and then I've got my buttermilk, my fake buttermilk. Now we're just going to mix this all together. Then I've got my blueberries. And I'm gonna mix that all together. Oh, yum. Then my loaf pan. My reusable oil sprayer. And I'm going to sprinkle a few blueberries on top to decorate. All right, and now we're going to put it in the oven at 350 degrees. I have my water here. I'm going to make some homemade lemon juice using my True Lemon packets. I love these things. Just so you can see how it's done. Whoops. Well, if I can get it to open. Oops, that one got a little water or something on it. Okay. Do this one. Ah, what happened to my lemon packets? Got water or something on them. Oh dear. Well, that's irritating. Okay, there. Open this one up. There we go. Okay. Now, I have never had that happen before, but we'll get it dissolved. There. Oh my goodness, that looks so delicious. Add our powdered sugar. sugar. Oh, yum, that looks so good. Okay, I should have followed the recipe, but I just made it up and I got way too much, but that's okay. I'll just save part of it for my next video that I need a lemon glaze for. I will just have to find a lemon glaze needed. All right, there we go. Oh my goodness, that's perfect. All right, and there we have our blueberry lemon loaf, zucchini blueberry lemon loaf. Oh, yum. Thumbnail. Woo! Okay, now taste test. Is it delicious? I am making zucchini cake. Yum. If you like spice cake, this zucchini cake is for you. I personally love it. I can't wait for zucchini season to come along. All right, got my handy dandy glove that I love for grating. Then I can get the whole entire thing without scraping my fingers. Then this just goes straight in the laundry and it works great. All right, flour and my sugar. And my baking soda. This recipe is in the description below in our Dining on a Dime cookbook, volume 1 on page 296. It's on sale right now. But you can get the link in the description below. And then we've got our cinnamon. And cloves. And nutmeg. Oh shoot, did I do our salt? I can't remember if I did salt. Oops, well, there we go. All right, now I need some water and my vegetable oil. Yes, I keep it in a pancake syrup bottle because it fits better in my cabinet. My vanilla and my eggs. Then I'm going to stir this all together. I'm going to get out the mixer just because it'll be easier to mix. Alright, and I got my 9 by 13 pan. Love my refillable oil sprayer. Now, if you want, you could add some nuts to this. My family does not like nuts, so I'm not going to. All right, now we're gonna bake this in the oven for about 45 minutes. Here is my zucchini cake. Now I took a knife, put it in the center, and it came out clean. That's how you know when your quick breads are done, is when there's no dough on the knife, then you know your quick breads are done. You can eat it like this or frost it with buttercream frosting. Here's what it looks like with the buttercream frosting.